Okay, I'm in the process of replacing a whole set of flanges, whipping flanges on a Steinway. And so the flanges came with a center pin, which is really too small for the hole in the wood. So I'm going from a size 20 pin to a size 21 pin. And this is the way I like to do this when I have many of them do. There's a hole in the table here, and 1, 2, 3, and burnish. That's what it takes for the size 21 center pin to hook up with the whip-in and give me 2 to 4 grams of friction. So, also to insert these and then use this kind of a tool is very hard on the hand when you have so many to do. This cute little punch comes from Scott Jones, and I use it for removing key leads and also for this. So easy, in it goes. Then it's obviously a matter of flush cutting, and there we are. And you can't see the gauge, but right at 3 grams, very nice. So, when you have to do a lot of them, I suggest this procedure.